Believe it or not, Excel allows you to create pixel art and it's quite powerful. Let me show you a few ways here. First things first, we need to create our canvas. And the best way to do that would be to select the entire worksheet using this button up here. I've selected all of the cells in this worksheet. And now you're going to simply resize the cell to, to have an equal height and width. So let's go to width. As you see, you can change the width. It shows you how many pixels there are within each cell. So let's use 20 by 20 is a good one. Okay, 20 by 20. Now you'll see every cell is essentially a pixel. This is your blank canvas. Now all you do is use this fill color button. And I'm going to select my color. Let's use red. Okay, just like that. Now you can zoom in by holding Control and your mouse wheel if you want a larger canvas, or zoom in if you'd like to make those intricate designs. And then let's go down here. Okay. So that's pretty basic pixel art right there in Excel for you. There's another way to do it if you use conditional formatting. So I will make a new tab, Pixel 2. Let's say first we need to create our blank canvas. So let's make a little smaller. We'll go 10 by 10 this time. Like such. Okay. Now you zoom in, it's the same thing, right? Just like that. So what you do is instead of putting the color in here, you're going to put in a number. So let's say I want to make a square. Now, what we're going to do here is highlight all of the sheet, and we will use conditional formatting. New rule: format only cells that contain equal to 1. And then I want to select the color that I want it to color all of the cells with a 1 in it, and I want it to be red. And you hit OK. And it makes the square for you. Last thing would be to color the text red, because I don't want to see those ones there. And there you go. There's your square. Along with this basic method, Excel has quite a powerful feature that allows you to import images as pixel art. You have to use an add-in in order to do so. I'm going to show you the add-in link here. So if you just go to the internet, you'll see I've went to the Microsoft App Store and I typed in pixel art, and this is what it gives me. So I will copy this link and add it in the Excel file for your reference. And I will use this tab to utilize that. So I've installed this pixel art add-in already to my Excel. As you can see right here, a cool little icon. I will click this. Now, I downloaded a picture. Like if you go, let's say I want to search for Corvettes, 69 Corvette, like that. This is a nice one here. So I will download this. I'm going to right click. I'm going to save image as. You're going to click on your pixel art. I'm going to upload that file. Downloads. Look at this. It actually brings in the stingray, just like that. And it will create, if you forgot to make the cells the right size, it actually does that. And it brings in this image as a pixel art. Isn't that neat? If you zoom in, you can see the actual pixels right there. And to get the actual hex codes or the RGB codes, you go to Fill, More Colors, and you can actually see the code for that cell right in there. I will zoom out one last time so you can see this brilliance of what Excel can do with pixel art. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips and tricks, check out spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.